Okay, so hello everyone. My name is Professor Alumi and welcome to my second video of discussing college entrance exam math question. So, ang pag-uusapan naman natin ay ang missing angle measures. Okay, so here we go. So, ang first sample question natin that if two complementary angles have degree measures of 2x plus 16 and 3x minus 21. The larger angle has degree of, so ito yung mga choices natin. So ano ba muna ang complementary angles? Break aral muna tayo. So when we talk about complementary angles, 'di ba? 'Di ba sum siya ng two adjacent angles? 'Di ba ganito siya lagi? So ibig sabihin, lagi siyang two angles na mag-sum up to what? 90 degrees. 'Di ba? So ito yung formula kumbaga. So let's say we have angle A plus angle B is equals to 20 degrees 90 degrees lagi. So laging ganyan. Isipin niyo ito parang theorem lang, no? So kung ganun, kung i-apply lang natin dito, ibig sabihin isasum natin to. Itong dalawang degree measures. Ibig sabihin pag-add natin sila. So gawin natin. So 2x plus 16 plus 3x minus 21 is equals to 90. So para nag-substitute lang tayo dito, base lang dito. Kasi ito yung degree measures, 'di ba? So dito lang kayo bumase, parang formula lang siya. I mean, parang formula nga siya. Kumbaga. Okay, so we have to combine like terms. So alin dito yung like terms? So yung like terms na nakikita niyo dito is 3x and 2x. So let's combine that. So that becomes 5x. So meron ka pa bang nakikitang like terms? Yes, meron. Meron pang 16 and negative 21. And if we combine that, we will have negative 5, di ba? Negative 5 equals to 90. So, bale, ganyan. So, hindi pa tayo tapos. Kasi ito transpose po natin to. So, we have to transpose. We cancel this out by adding 5 and then adding 5 din dito. So, ibig sabihin, magiging 5x. 5x. So, cancel out na natin to. That becomes 95 degrees. So, syempre, i-divide po natin ba siya by 5. So, divide lang siya by 5 para mahanap natin yung value of x. So, syempre, cancel out na tong 5. And then, 95 divided by 5, that becomes x equals to 90. Pero hindi pa tayo tapos. Hindi pa tayo tapos. Kasi, kadalasan kasi, kapag nagsasagot ng college entrance exam yung mga students, porket nahanap nila yung value of x, saka na nila bibulugan yung sagot. Ibig sabihin, hindi to yung tamang sagot. Dapat dahan-dahan tayo sa pagbili ng tanong kung ano yung tinatanong. Based sa tanong na to, ang hinahanap is yung larger angle. So, hindi pa tayo tapos. So, ibig sabihin, when we talk about the larger angle, hanapin natin which of these two is the larger angle. Since nahanap na natin yung value of x, gagamitin natin siya to find the measurement. Kasi based dito unknown yung x. Kailangan eksaktong degree measurement ang hahanapin natin. So buray lang natin to. Sana copy na to. Okay. So alamin natin, no? So 2x plus 16 and then 3x minus 21. So i-substitute lang natin yung x dito sa linear equation na to para ma-determine natin kung alin sa kanilang dalawa ang merong larger degree measurement. So substitute lang natin for x dito. This becomes 19, 'di ba? So what is 19 times 2? So this becomes 38, 'di ba? So 38 plus 16. So what is 38 plus 16? That is 54. Ano naman yung kabila? So 3 times 19. 3 times 19, 1, 2, 27. So, so this becomes what? Ano yung sagot dito? 57? Ay, mali. Wait lang. Hindi siya 52. Wait lang. So, this becomes what? 57? 57 minus 21. So minus lang natin, no? So, this becomes 36. So, alin dito yung large angle? Ito. So, ang tamang sagot for this sample question is letter B. Yung tamang sagot. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. So soon I'll be start posting a pre-cal lesson very soon. Hindi ko lang kung kailan ko simulan pero by weekends ko siya most likely sisimulan. So stay tuned and goodbye. Thank you. Like and subs ay wait. Wait muna. Like and subscribe to my channel. Kung i-share niyo sa mga nahihirapan sa math. Dito sila tumungo sa aking channel. Marami akong ipo-post. So, okay, thank you ulit. Thank you everyone. Like and subscribe.